Hey everyone, and welcome to Saturday of the 1 week meal plan. Tonight is pizza night. We're going to be making the bruschetta pizza. So for today's prep, there really isn't anything special you need to do because we already made the pizza dough back on Thursday, and it should be in the fridge ready to use. However, if you weren't able to make that, I'll have a link to a simple, easy pizza dough recipe that you can make today. And then for tomorrow, we're having the beef stroganoff on mashed potatoes. So if that steak is frozen, you'll want to pull it out of the freezer today so it can thoroughly thaw for tomorrow's meal. So for the bruschetta pizza, it's basically making bruschetta that you would put on French bread, but we're going to put it on a pizza with a balsamic glaze. So the ingredients that we're going to need are Roma tomatoes, Kalamata olives, black olives, some basil, goat cheese, garlic, mozzarella cheese, and some bruschetta seasoning. Now if you don't have bruschetta seasoning or can't find that at a store near you, you can just use equal parts of basil and oregano. And then the balsamic glaze is just simply balsamic vinegar and some honey. So for the directions for this pizza, we want to slice everything up, our tomatoes, olives, basil, garlic, and then add the seasoning to a bowl and set that aside. So then the flavors can kind of mix while we take our pizza dough and roll it out on our pizza stone. Brush that lightly with olive oil and then put a small layer of shredded mozzarella cheese, just enough to cover the dough. Then we're going to grab our bruschetta mix and use a slotted spoon, so then we drain off that excess liquid and place it on the dough. Spread that mixture out over the dough, leaving just about an inch around the crust, and then crumble the desired amount of goat cheese over the pizza. Then bake this for 450 for 20 minutes until the crust is just golden brown. And while the pizza is cooking, we want to take a half a cup of balsamic vinegar and a tablespoon of honey in a saucepan and just simmer that over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's thickened. Then we want to take our pizza out, drizzle the glaze over it, serve it hot. We can also have it with a garden salad or some breadsticks. And if you'd like the wood fire pizza dough recipe that I have available, it's in my bonus base recipes of my 4-week meal plan. So now it's time to get cooking. Once you make this great pizza, take a picture of it, post it on social media using the hashtag #TheRuralHomeRecipes, and tag myself. And we'll see you tomorrow night for the beef stroganoff.